Hello guys, what's up? Today we are going to show you how to take a screenshot in a laptop. It will work for Windows 10, Windows 11 and any type of laptop or desktop. For taking a screenshot, I am searching a unique topic. Suppose you are going to take the personal information screenshot. So step 1, click window and print screen button at the same time. Then screenshot location will be picture, then screenshot. Showing you another step. Click main shift and S button at the same time. Then select the area which you want to take a screenshot. Then snip saved. Here you can edit your screenshot. Trading you have to save it, then folder, rename it, then save. If you want to take a screenshot full screen, at this step you have to select full screen, then similar process. I'm going to check the screenshot has been taken or not. Now showing you the another step. Type here snip, then full screen snip. You can edit your image from here also. You can highlight it, then save, rename it. If you want to take some selection area, you can select it.
Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's end. With me tonight, I run away.
I'm showing you the fourth step. Click in the comment section, then screen snip, then full screen. It is the shortcut process of snipping tool. You can take a screenshot in any type of laptop or desktop through these 4 steps. So that's all. Thanks for watching.